Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live series part 8. In this video, I will show you how to change your password in BIGO Live application. For that, open your BIGO Live application first. This is your home page. Below you will see various icons there. Click on that human icon below. You will be guided to this page. And at the top of the screen, you will see settings icon there. Click on it and you will be guided to next page again. Here, search for the option Account Management. Once you find it, click on it. Then click on Phone. Here you will see two options, change phone number and change password. As we are going to change our password, click on that second option. Here it says Old Password. First enter your old password here. Then in the next box, type your new password. Make sure you note it down so that you won't forget it. After you are done, click on this Done option. Wait for a while and you have successfully changed your password. So this is how you change password in BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.